While the world struggles to contain the highly contagious novel coronavirus, many researchers are looking back on its origin, and the jury is still out over the question of its origin. Tracing the origin of this pandemic is a key to stop the next one. At the start of the outbreak, the most mainstream assumption was that the virus originated at a wet market in Wuhan. In these wet markets, live animals are traded for their meat and other parts of the body, and there is interaction between species. But there is nothing certain about the wet market origin theory yet. In fact, studies published found that early cases of the novel coronavirus were not traced to the market. The wet market probably amplified the disease. The scaly mammals called pangolins are believed to be the bearers because one statistical study looked at a characteristic of the virus that evolved to enable it to latch onto human cells. Pangolins were able to develop this characteristic, but so were cats, buffaloes, cattle, goats, sheep, and pigeons. Within 300 yards of the seafood market is the Wuhan branch of the Chinese Center for Disease Control and Prevention. It's a known fact that these Chinese researchers have been studying bat viruses after the SARS epidemic subsided. So another theory is that the virus outbreak happened after a lab accident, where anyone handling the virus could have become an unwitting carrier. There is nothing to disprove that this could have happened. While some scientists believe there should have been an intermediary animal to transmit the disease to humans, some researchers have shown that in a laboratory environment, bat coronaviruses can jump directly to humans. In mid-February, scientists from two of China's most prestigious polytechnics, including one in Wuhan, circulated a preprint paper, one that has not undergone peer review, detailing accidents involving bats at the lab of the Wuhan Center for Disease Control and Prevention. After being attacked and urinated on by the bats, a researcher quarantined himself for 14 days.